small channels, listen up. You might have noticed YouTube suddenly stopped showing your videos to new viewers, and it is not because your content is bad enough. It is because of a big change in the algorithm, and a lot of small YouTubers are panicking right now. So stick around to the very end of this video because I am going to show you exactly why this is happening, the big change, and how you can get your views back fast. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you a bonus tips, so make sure you don't skip any part of this video. Let's dive straight into the main video. Now, what is happening with the new algorithm? Like, what is happening with our new algorithm? YouTube updated how it decides which videos to show to your audience. Now, back then before, the algorithm was mainly looking at things like watch time and clicks. But right now, the algorithm is now smarter. It is now looking at how long people stay watching your videos, how often they come back, and how much engagement your audience has. Now, for small channels, what does this mean? This means that even if you have a great video on your channel, YouTube might not push it to the new viewers immediately. It's like YouTube wants more proof from you that your video is worth showing to everybody and your video is worth recommending. Now, think of it like this. Imagine a tiny shop in a huge mall. Before, anyone that is passing by could see your shop, but now YouTube is like the main manager saying, I need to see if people like this shop before sending it to more people. That is why small channels feel invisible right now. I mean, at this particular moment, what does this actually mean for you? Especially the small channels. Your videos might get fewer initial views, even if they are good. Remember, growth on this YouTube as a small channel might feel slower. Small channel will see a gap before YouTube starts recommending their content. Engagement is now the king everywhere, which is the likes, the comments, the shares, and watch time. Now, these four things tells YouTube your video is valuable, and when you have it in your video, that is when YouTube will consider your channel. But if you're not getting this engagement, no promotion for you. So basically, YouTube is now focusing on videos that prove themselves fast, immediately. If your video is proving its value immediately, YouTube can promote your video. But if your video doesn't get traction quickly, you can get ignored for a while, but do not panic. You can fix it. Just like I told you, I will tell you how to fix it so that you can start getting your views back. Now, let's talk about the solution. What are you going to do to beat this new 2026 algorithm? Like this new 2026 algorithm that is keeping small channel invisible. Here is what you need to do to get your views back and start growing again. The very first thing is packaging. Yes, learn how to package your videos in different ways to entice click here and there from the right audience. You can make a reputable video from any part of the creator, but how you package it matters. It gives the clicks. Now, the second thing is you need to hook your audience immediately. Yes, the algorithm notices if people click away immediately, and if your hook is boring and it doesn't make people watch till the end or half of your video, YouTube will not push your video. So start your video with value immediately. Let me give you an example. In this video, I am going to show you the exact tricks I use to double my channel views in 7 days. Now, if you're making this type of video and you're using this type of hook, this hook will deliver values first. So you need to deliver your value. The next thing is focus on your watch time. You know, YouTube loves video that keep people watching all the way through to the end. You need to keep your videos and make people to watch till the end or till half of your video. Make your content engaging with stories, examples, bullet points, make it so engaging that people will not even know when they watch till the end. Now, the next one is start engaging your viewers immediately. Ask for likes, ask for comments, ask for subscribe. That is, if they find that particular video interesting. Do not beg them. Do not keep being obsessive in begging for subscribers. Yes, you can say which tips will you try first. comment below, that kind of a thing. Yeah, that kind of a thing sparks engagement, and it helps YouTube to push more of your content to the rightful people. Now, the last one is, I believe you have heard it so many times. Can you guess it?
Want to talk to me direct, don't go through the corners.
Upload consistently, but you need to be smart this time around. Yes, you need to be smart. If you want to trick this algorithm, you need to be uploading consistently. I didn't mean every single day, but consistently with smart strategy. You don't need to be posting every day, but regular uploads showing up that your YouTube channel is always active. You can post at least 1 to 3 times video per week. Yes, if you can deal with that consistency, you can choose to post once in a week or twice in a week. Focus on the quality and not the quantity. Yes, focus on the quality of your video. Make sure you package your video. Then another one is optimize your title, your thumbnail, and description, because this is the metadata and this is the information you will give to YouTube to help them push your video, and you stop complaining of what invisibility and low views. Yes, you can make your thumbnail to be eye-catching, bold, with bold text, expressive images. Make sure your video description includes the keywords and a call to action, like asking viewers to subscribe or watch other of your video. In that way, you are also helping to promote other of your video. Now, if you do all these things, YouTube will start noticing your channel again. Now, if you look at my channel, you can see that all these things I am implementing it on my channel, because I cannot start making a video of what I don't practice. So learn to do all these things. YouTube will start noticing your channel again. Even small channels can grow faster than ever if they adapt to these changes. So start doing it. Now, if you have watched to the point of this video, I told you that I'm going to give you a bonus tips. Now, if you have watched to the point of this video, why not give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Now, the bonus tips is you need to watch your analytics closely. Make sure that you don't ignore your analytics. Look at which video gets the most watch time and engagement. Then make more of those videos. Now, the algorithm is basically saying, show me your winner, and I will show them to more people. So instead of posting random videos, today you post cooking, tomorrow you post AI, tomorrow you post face layer, and start roaming around the bush. Post smart and strategic. Focus on what actually works for you than what doesn't work for you. This is how you are going to win this YouTube algorithm and start getting views like big channels. Here is the most important thing to remember. YouTube is not in any way ignoring you, maybe because you are a small channel or big channel. It is just testing your content. Yes. Now think of it like a garden. Small channels grow slowly at first. Yes, it's happening to me. I'm experiencing it. And you grow with the right gear, then you can explode later. Now stick to these steps. Stay consistent and keep learning, and also keep leveraging on your content, on your videos every single day. Bro, the algorithm will start working in your favor. Trust me, Learn with Dera is telling you this thing with all full confidence. It just takes some strategy and patience, and you are going to blow up and win this algorithm. Yes, and say bye-bye to algorithm. So this is how you are going to do it. Thank you, and if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Dera, and on this channel, I help new and small YouTubers grow and monetize on this YouTube. Thank you for watching to the end of this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, that is if you find this very video interesting, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.